Hi everyone, welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner. So we are starting this new series of how to learn Power BI, and this will be from beginners to advanced level. So in initial videos we will cover some basic topics, and with the time we will try to cover intermediate, and my aim will be to make you an advanced Power BI expert. So this will not only be a theoretical videos. I will try to cover some hands-on practices. I will try to show you some practical demos. And why this? Because I have seen most of the tutorials or most of the videos in which we generally cover some basic concept and we directly comes to report creation. But my path of learning will be, firstly we will start from how we can import the data in Power BI. Then we will move toward how we can transform the data. After it we will cover the data modeling part, and then we will cover the data analysis part like DAX measures and calculations. And after all these, then we will come to the report creation part. So if you are thinking of just directly creating a dashboard or a visually attractive report, then this might not be suitable, because my aim is to make you end-to-end Power BI expert, not just only a report developer or a dashboard creator. So let's get started. And in our first video we are going to discuss about how we can install the Power BI app, and how we can install it on various ways. So let's get started. Okay, so there are mainly two ways to install Power BI desktop app. Firstly, you can simply come to Google and type download Power BI desktop. And then you have to go to the first link. You have to click on it, and here you will see the option for download, and you can find various details. So this is the first way, and if you click on download, you have to select the version, like if your machine is 64-bit, so you can select that, and then you can simply download it. So you can see the download has been started, and this file once get installed, you have to double click on it and then open that file and simply install it. What is the second way? The second way is you have to go to the Microsoft App Store and search for Power BI. So on the first tile you will see Power BI desktop. You have to click on it. I have already installed it, so I am getting the option to directly open it, and it will show that it is already installed. But if you come to this page first time, then you have to install it just like we install the apps in our mobile from Play Store. It is exactly similar. Once this is downloaded, you can come to the search bar and simply search for Power BI, and you will find this Power BI desktop thing, and you just have to click on this open button. Now the thing is, what is the difference between downloading from the App Store and what is the difference between downloading from the website? So basically what happens is Microsoft releases few updates, few new features every month. So if you are downloading from the website, then you have to manually update your Power BI desktop app. You have to go to website every month, download the latest version and install it. But if you are downloading the Power BI desktop app from the Microsoft App Store, then the updates will automatically get installed, and your desktop app will be stay up to date according to the latest features. So this is the major difference. So I will recommend you to install it from the Microsoft App Store, so that you don't have to do that manual thing again and again. So this is the basic thing about how you can install or how you can download the Power BI desktop app. Now in the next video we will cover the basic interface of Power BI desktop. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggestion, any feedback, you can feel free to drop the comments. If I am going bit fast or the pace of the video is slow, then I will be happy to know your feedbacks. So let's connect in the next video. Thank you for watching.